welcome back to my channel. I have another DIY for you today in the form of a lip rescue kit. That's right, this is a kit designed for the autumn months where we start wearing our cuddly jumpers and put our heating ups, which makes our lips super dry. This kit contains a DIY lip scrub and a DIY lip balm to keep those lips soft and supple. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, then let's get crafting. For the lip scrub, you are going to need 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of almond oil. This will make 1 small tin of the lip scrub. Start by adding the 2 teaspoons of sugar to your mixing bowl. I am using caster sugar here just because it is a little bit finer, but you can use any sugar for this lip scrub. Then it is time to add a teaspoon of honey of your choice. I am using one just from the cupboard here, but raw or organic may be better for this recipe. It is your choice. And finally, it's time to add in the teaspoon of almond oil. Once you have added that, give it a really good mix together in the mixing bowl until it forms a really good paste. As you can see, it does combine quite well together and sort of lumps together in a bit more of a gel type consistency. This is what you are looking for. Prepare your lip scrub tin by spraying in some rubbing alcohol to sterilise it, shaking this off and allowing to dry. Then it is time to add in your new lip scrub. Use a spoon to scoop your newly made lip scrub into its designated tin. Allow it to settle slightly and it is complete. I added a little label onto the lid just so I knew which was a lip scrub and which was a lip balm. And there you have your DIY lip scrub. Now it is on to your honey lip balm. For this recipe you are going to need 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut or olive oil, 3 to 4 drops of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of grated beeswax. You want to start by creating a double boiler or a bain-marie, so place a bowl over a hot pan of water and add in your beeswax to begin the melting process. Once the beeswax has melted, you want to add in your tablespoon of shea butter and allow that to melt into the already melted beeswax. Then add in your teaspoon of coconut or olive oil. I'm using coconut oil in this instance and allow that to melt down into the mixture. Once that has melted together, add in your teaspoon of almond oil and teaspoon of honey, allowing them to combine and melt into the mixture. When you are happy that it has all melted and combined together, remove from the heat and allow to cool slightly before adding in your 3 to 4 drops of vanilla extract. Then it is time to pour your melted lip balm mixture into your designated tins. I sterilised these beforehand using rubbing alcohol. Now be careful of your fingers here that you don't burn them on the hot liquid. You will get roughly 3 small lip balm tins worth of lip balm from this mixture here. Set aside and allow to cool and set, and then you have your very own DIY honey lip balm. So there you have how to make your very own DIY lip rescue kit. Super easy and simple to make and perfect for keeping your lips soft and supple in the upcoming winter and colder months. They also make a really nice gift for family and friends. They went down a storm when I gave them as presents recently. So if you are thinking ahead to, dare I say it, Christmas, then these make a perfect addition to whatever you are thinking of giving to your family and friends. I'll also link my blog post below, which has the full details of how to make this DIY from the video. So I'll have all the different measurements and step-by-step instructions if you prefer to follow along via picture and written instruction rather than video. So a bit of best of both, I guess. If you enjoyed this video, then do give it a little thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with more of my travel and crafting antics coming onto the channel. Until next time, bye!